Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create some really basic shapes on Adobe Illustrator and how you can kind of use them. So obviously the first one is a square. Wait, let me change it because it's not big enough for me. Square is basically you just press shift. Rectangle, you don't need to press shift for that. Then we have the ellipse tool. Again, press shift for a perfect circle. And you don't need to press shift if you want to create an oval shape. You can also create some polygons. Just press anywhere on the canvas here and select how many ever size you want. For instance, 5. You can do 6. You can make a star by pressing it. And wait. Actually, there's a star tool. I meant a triangle and putting 3 as the sides, like so, or like a hexagon or decagon or whatnot. You can also create a star with the shape tool, of course, like this. You can round out the edges of a square using this button here. You can also just round out one edge by pressing this one and just rounding out just one edge of the square. Or if you want to, you can press shift to round out 3. Here, I'll show you 1, 2, 3 to round out those edges to create a pin point. So here, I'm gonna just get a circle, and then I'm gonna put that in the middle like so. Like that. Then you can create some flowers. I like to use the hexagon for it. You can use anything for that too. But I'm just going to go here, go to effect, and go to distort and transform, go to pucker and bloat, and select bloat to create a flower. Again, you can use kind of any shape for it. And you can also do pucker for this kind of effect. Where's that rotating tool? Can kind of create the shape of flowers. You can also do it with this one too. Pucker and bloat, or pucker like that. There's just a bunch of shapes that you can create using the basic shapes on Adobe Illustrator. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.